Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to talk about how to recover an auto-saved file in AutoCAD, whether 2017, 2015, 2013. Because it's a very big problem. Even I have tried a lot sometimes, but I didn't find. But finally I overcome the matter, and I'm going to share with you because it's a very important topic and it's an important thing for an AutoCAD engineer for civil engineers. Because sometimes we do a lot of work, but we missed it just because of electricity short or otherwise problems of AutoCAD and Windows. So today I'm going to tell you how to recover and how to get back your files. Alright? When it is saved in 10 minutes. If you do not touch your computer, if you do not type anything, it will be saved. Okay? So first of all, we have to open any file of AutoCAD, Neo or otherwise. Okay? I'm going to open one file. It's take little time. And secondly, you have to recognize the location where the auto saved file goes. Okay, for this purpose we have to go to the option. In this dialog box we have to click on the file button. Okay, file, and we have to find automatic save location. This is an automatic save location. We have to figure out it's a temporary. It means a temporary location. Okay, copy this link and go to the file explorer, paste here, Control V, press enter. This is a temporary location. You have to find the file which is saved by your name. This is not a location of exact file. This is an auto saved location file. Okay, so I'm going to going to find a water supply file. Yesterday I was working, but it was missing. Here is the Mia Khan water supply scheme. Alright, this is the backup file. This is not the original file. Sometimes there's a lot of files have been saved. Look in these files, but we have to find the recent this one. Okay, even if you double click, the file will not open because this is a backup file. Okay, so for this purpose we have to right click and rename, delete the back and type DWG. It means a drawing file. Press enter. If you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Okay, doesn't matter. You see, the file changed into the drawing file. Now you can open the file. Right? Did you see the file works and the method works? Sometimes we find a file in backup file, and sometimes we find a file in SVS file. Alright, if you find a file in SVS, you can also change this one. Okay, DWG. Alright, yes, this works as well. Okay guys, I hope you understand, and ask me in comment section if you have any query regarding other option of AutoCAD. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.